guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, I'm jumping right into the video, not wasting no time, okay? In this video, you guys, I would say like 2.5 packs of hair, the ones that have the 3 bundles, and I used the little skinny rat tail comb with the little with the pointy tip. What is it, like a wig brush, paddle brush, whatever you want to call it. And I think that's it. I used some eco styling gel, and I think that was about it. And maybe like some edge booster for my edges. Y'all, I do not like a lot of product in my head. I am not a person to pack product in my head. I don't like grease. I don't like a lot of edge control. I don't like a lot of none of that stuff. So by any means, if you like it, use it, but I don't, so I'm not going to use a lot of product in this video. But yeah, so I am just sectioning my hair right now. As you guys can see, I do the 1 2 3 stick it, and then 1 2 3 stick it, add the hair. I'll show you guys a closer up view of it, but you just want to be consistent. I'm sorry, I cannot talk. You just want to be consistent when adding the hair, and I was learning that as I was going, because some of my braids was a little bigger and some of them was a little smaller. But once I realized that I needed to add the hair in the same spot at the same time for the braid, it was good, and it came out really cute. So yeah, this is my first little braid, not too shabby. Of course, my parts are not going to be perfect because I am doing this myself. This is a do-it-yourself video, okay? As long as the front look good, it's okay. So one thing I will say, as you can see right now, I didn't start off with a piece of fake hair, only because the last time I did my box braids, they were kind of not as flat. Like, the beginning of my braids wasn't as flat, and I don't know if that's because my hair is super thick, and then adding a piece of hair like at the very beginning will make my braid not as flat. So I was like, with some braids I was trying it, start off the braid, add a piece of hair, and then some of them I just would start braiding with my real hair. I hope that made sense, but yeah. Also, I forgot to add that you will need a mirror. You would need a mirror for this, especially if you're doing it yourself. I mean, like I said, the back is not going to be perfect, but you at least need to see a little bit of what's going on back there. So this is the back. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh girl, that is cute. That is cute. Yeah, I'm just looking at it just like y'all. That is pretty, and it's not so thick. That's perfect, because the last time I did them, I love the thick look, but I don't like the heavy feeling of it. So this was perfect. They were thick, but they were not too heavy. So yeah, let's continue to watch. Yo, I was all into the TV show Manifest. Do you guys watch that show? Leave a comment down below if you guys watch that show. It is so good and so addictive. And another thing I wanted to add, you guys, make sure when you're doing this that you center your braid right in the middle. I know in the back mine's probably was not right in the middle only because I couldn't really see it, but the ones up here I really wanted to make sure that the actual braid started right in the middle of the part. Like, I don't know if that's just me, but it's like a pet peeve of mine when a braid is not centered. So yeah, just try your best to make sure that your braid is centered. We're almost there, you guys. It was coming up super cute and just like I wanted. I was so excited. I had to call my best friend and my sister and show us what I did. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with the other side to this side, and that's gonna be it. That's all. That's how you do these braids. I was so excited. They came out real cute. Y'all gonna see it. But yeah, so make sure you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys don't know, this is mainly a motherhood YouTube channel, y'all. We do a bunch of vlogs, cooking videos. I also show you guys how I teach my daughter. She's 3 years old now, and I homeschool her, and I'm so proud of it. And I share with you guys places I go, how I teach her, what I do, and stuff like that. So super fun mother channel. So make sure you guys go check out the other videos, and like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys stay tuned. And also, we upload twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Look, I dipped it already and everything. It came out cute. I redid these two going to this side, like I said. And yeah, super cute.